So, after Sophia passed away, ownership of the estate bounced around for many years until it finally became the Vaile Sanatorium. The patients were kept in the basement. And up this stairwell is the attic, which is also where the lobotomies were performed. One of the most common paranormal sightings happens there on the stairwell.
We got a shot of you walking up the stairs.
Visitors have seen a shadowy figure looking out.
Go up a little higher. Okay. Take one more step.
I feel creeped out enough right here, thanks.
Oh, we're heading up there anyway, so it's only going to get creepier. It has a heavy presence, so most think it's one of the doctors heading up to tend to one of his patients.